friends, my name is Cecilia and welcome to my kitchen here in Stockholm, Sweden. In today's episode of Thanksgiving Sides and Sweets, we are doing another foundational recipe, plain white bread. I love this bread because it is so plain. It's definitely not my favorite for just like eating straight up, mostly because it's kind of boring, but that's what makes it such an exceptional ingredient bread. I like to use it for bread cubes for my dad's famous Thanksgiving stuffing, which is what I'll be making tomorrow, but it's also great for breadcrumbs, French toast, grilled cheese sandwiches. Pretty much anywhere you want bread to be a supporting character as opposed to the star of the show, that's what this is good for. Let's get started. Into the bowl of your stand mixer, pour 500 grams of water, 850 grams of flour, 15 grams of salt, 20 grams of honey, 50 grams of butter, and 50 grams of fresh yeast. Place on the stand mixer and, using the hook attachment, mix for 30 minutes on a medium speed. Scrape out of the bowl onto the counter and then divide into equal pieces. Brush 2 loaf pans with melted butter, then shape each portion of dough into a loaf shape. The shaping isn't super important, we just want to make an even log with a smooth skin that fits well into the pan. Press the dough out into a rectangular-ish shape and then turn the corners in and just kind of press them down. Keep folding down the top bit of dough and pressing it in. This creates a smooth skin on the outside of the dough. Pop it into the loaf pans and press down so that they really fit in there. Cover with a towel, set to the side, and let them rise for 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they have risen above the sides of the pan. Pop in a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. As soon as they come out of the oven, knock them out of the loaf pans and set on a wire rack to cool. And that's it, your plain and simple white loaf is done. I told you guys it was simple. If you want to make breadcrumbs, let the bread sit out uncovered overnight. Leaving the bread out overnight lets it firm up and makes it much easier to cut. Slice into 1.5 centimeter or 1/2 inch thick slices. Stack the slices and cut them into cubes. I like to cut either 3x3 or 4x4. Each of these works, it just depends on how big you like them. I like to use a mix of sizes. Lay them out in a single even layer on a couple baking trays. It's okay if it's not exactly a single layer, you just don't want a bunch piled on top of each other. Let dry outside in your kitchen for 48 hours or until completely hard and dry. And I hope that you have a good day and that I'll see you again tomorrow. Hej då!